Welcome back to my channel, you all, where growth is inevitable through life experiences, knowledge, and understanding. Today I am showcasing enchiladas. I am doing a very slightly different version of enchiladas. I still have my red sauce, giving that true traditional Mexican culture spin-off. I also have a few upcoming videos that you will see how I started the base of my chicken. I did use gravy that was featured in one of our previous videos, so check that out if you have not already. Also, some of the other videos will go ahead and entail the procedure, so I won't talk much here in the beginning. I just wanted to do a little intro vid. So this is our enchiladas that we are making. I'm cooking literally all the time, guys. Today is Sunday, so this would have been my Sunday dinner. However, I took a nap and stuff, so it's wee hours in the morning. I'm finishing the enchiladas up, and I will be able to eat off of this throughout the week. Usually I prepare my meals anyway throughout the week. That way, if I'm on the go, if I have something to do, of course we're in quarantine, so it's not necessary. However, I like to keep my routinic ways. That way, when I do get back into routine, my schedule is not that thrown off. So yes, I like to cook in bulk. That way, if I need to do anything, everything is ready to go. I mean, it's just proper time management for me. So to each his own. I just wanted to present to you all enchiladas. Okay, I have chicken enchiladas as the filling, and I have my cheese and enchilada sauce on top. I will conclude a picture at the end so you all can see the end result. Feel free to subscribe, reply, chime in, be interactive. I am always encouraging my listeners to be interactive. If you are not interactive, I cannot answer any questions or be of the most help to you all if you are looking for additional skills and a craft in the kitchen. Okay, so I'm just here to entertain, empower, and encourage. Like I said, guys, I don't know it all. I'm not perfect, so if there's something that you may want to know or ask, provide me with the question. We can learn together. Enjoy the day and always be blessed. I just want y'all to see how this thing is set on up after we took it on out. Yeah. Hey, hey, hey. Ah. People wonder why we did all that extra, why we did all that comfy. Look at that thing. Nice pulled chicken, ready for our enchiladas. On this good Sunday. Y'all wonder when the food gonna be done. That's okay. Don't worry about it. Good food takes time. I ain't gonna lie. And I did go take a nap. Nigga was tired. Hey guys, just wanted to show you everything that I am preparing. So cooking is what you make it, okay? Like, what's wrong, what's right, okay? This is pulled chicken. I am making enchiladas. I am not making the average I guess you could say Mexican style enchiladas, or I'm not making the average enchiladas. It will look similar, however, it will have a probably totally different taste, and not in a bad way. So stay tuned. I am going to lift this bad boy. It's going to be probably a whole different color when we come back. But I just wanted to at least show you all the base and what I started off with. This is pulled chicken. The chicken was confit, and this sauce that I just added, I have a separate, more traditional. I have a separate, more traditional sauce here for my enchiladas for the actual toppings. Like I said, it's not going to be the average Mexican style. It's probably going to be whatever I come up with or whatever like that. So stay tuned, stay tuned, stay tuned. This is the tomato sauce for the top. I am probably going to at least incorporate a little bit into this sauce here. However, this sauce inside, of course the chicken is going to be inside, the onions are going to be in here, some other things. This is gravy though, guys. This is gravy, okay? This is the same gravy that I showcased on my channel the other day. So you can go back and check it out. This is the how to make gravy like grandma. So check out that video if you have not. But this is the gravy, guys. Let me give it 1 second while I mix it up here. I just added this, added it in, so it's still trying to come to temperature and melt. That's why it looks a little bit thick, but I mean, rich, thick, hearty. That's not a bad thing. Okay. So feel free, don't be afraid to use some different methods. It's cooking, it's your food, So I'm just giving it a turn here. And like I said, a lot of people were wondering why we did those extra steps as far as confit. Confit is a method where you're cooking anything, meats or vegetables submerged in oil or fat, cooked at a low temperature. So I had this in the oven at 300 low and slow for a couple of hours. And as you can see, the gravy is melting. Okay, so let's come back. I'll be back and show you all the end result. Alright, y'all. Got my little chicken filling mixture. Nice seasoned pulled chicken that is going to go into my enchiladas. Okay, so that's what we have. Hey guys, do we know how to fold a burrito? Not trying to be offensive, but just in case anyone has not done it before, I am preparing enchiladas. I have my sauce ready to go. I have my chicken, and that's it. Okay, I'm just going to quickly show you all how to fold a burrito or taco, whatever you want to call it, in preparation for whatever. Okay, so literally I have these flaps here. I'm taking one flap, I'm pushing it in, I'm taking the other flap, I am pushing it in. You have this now, and literally go all the way over, roll back, tuck. Okay, you can do that a couple times, just get the feel, rock back and forth. Your product will build up here very firmly and tightly. You want it to be as tight as possible, but you don't want that product to come out, and you don't want to break it. Okay, so literally I'm already forming my burrito in my hand just with this rocking motion, literally rocking and tucking and moving, seeing that tightness. Okay, you can go ahead and move it if you need to. Excuse this cutting board, it's moving around a lot. And also excuse the debris on the counters. Okay, I am prepping my enchiladas, so while I'm talking, I'm literally rolling upward. You can see this whole area here tighten up. You can see already a little bit oozing out here. That's fine. You can go ahead and open it up one more time and tuck in, and you're just rolling, rolling, rolling up, guys. Okay, that's it. That's it. You have a nice tight burrito, tucked here on the sides, and closed here, okay? Usually if we were searing this off, you could sear it on the bottom. You could maybe put a little something here to make it stick, all type of little tricks, but this is our burrito, and it's gonna go right into our pan that is buttered, ready for baking, and then our sauce is gonna go on top, and then our cheese. This is our enchilada, okay? Filled with chicken and all types of sauces and seasonings and goodness that will be reviewed in the beginning of the video. I'll go over a little bit of in detail of actually what I use for my sauce. I did include a mini video previous to this, so by now you should already know that I used the base for my sauce, the gravy. But I just wanted to showcase how to make a burrito, okay? I used to get made fun of all the time by my Mexican culture. I love them, so they've always let me show you how to do it. Let me show you how to do it. And yes, so practice and by experience and being taught and learning as I go. There we have it.